Welcome, we want to introduce our new C-1700 calendar press. Perfect size of 67 inches. Easy to install, just 30 minutes after being uncrated. Accurate heat distribution with self-contained 7.9-inch, oil-heated drum. Nomex belt with automatic self-aligning for long-term use. Digital temperature readings up to 482 degrees Fahrenheit. With a voltage of 220 volts, single phase. Three-in-one capability. Roll-to-roll, cut piece, and direct fixation. Cut piece catch pin included. Incorporates timed warm-up and auto cool-down shutoff. Designed and built with rugged all-steel construction. This is the new C-1700 calendar press. For additional information, please visit us at www.graphics1.com. Send us an email to sales@graphics1.com or call us to 1-818-260-9591. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Graphics One videos.